I saw your profile video and also about section. Then I noticed that you love track and field game.
I love
Track and field.
Jack and?
Field.
No, I don't think so.
You don't like. But
Mm,
I think I mixed up something.
maybe you've read my profile that I live in Brazil.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but it said that I loved what?
Track and field. Track
What is
and
that?
field. Sports.
No.
But
Oh, track. Okay, yeah. I used to run. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Track and field. Yeah, I did. I used to run. Hi.
sorry for being late because
Yeah.
yeah, my
I think I have a reservation right after you, so I might have to hang up a little bit earlier. I have to check. I think I have one right after you. Yeah, I do. So
okay.
I have to
So,
cut it a little bit early. Well, as soon as my other reservation calls, I'll have to hang up, okay?
okay, no problem, no problem.
All right. How are you today? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you after a long
Am,
time. Yeah,
am
finally
I
we
being
happened.
am I being filmed? Am I being recorded
Yeah, and
for
are you
for
comfortable with that?
YouTube?
Yeah, are you comfortable with that?
Huh?
Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. It's gonna be weird.
No, no, no. It's okay. It's totally fine. Yeah.
So, what do you want to talk about today?
Uh, I saw your profile video and also about section. Then I noticed that you love track and field game.
I love
Track and field.
Jack and?
Field.
No, I don't think so.
You don't like. But
Mm,
I think I mixed up something.
maybe you've read my profile that I live in Brazil.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but it said that I loved what?
Track and field. Track
What is
and
that?
field. Sports.
No.
But
Oh, track. Okay, yeah. I used to run. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Track and field. Yeah, I did. I used to run before. I used to run.
have you a dream in your childhood to become Olympic medal winner?
No, it didn't get that far. It was just, like I would run 10K, 10 kilometers, and it was hard training, but then, after I had my son, I had to kind of stop. I gained a lot of weight, and here I am.
And
I stopped running.
how is your son?
He's doing fine. Thank you for asking. He turned 2 years old. So yeah, he's a toddler, and he
Sir,
runs
yeah,
around
yeah.
the house all
I
the
will, I
time.
will.
Do you have children?
No, I am a student.
Okay, great. What are you studying?
Yeah, I am pursuing electronics and communication engineering, and in the
Engineering?
yes, engineering,
In what?
electronics and communication.
Oh, cool. I actually went to college for a semester in engineering,
Okay, okay, great. So,
but I had to quit.
oh, so may I ask that what is your qualification?
What is my
Qualification,
qualif qualification?
qualification. What is your qualification? Education
I don't.
qualification.
What is that?
What is your degree?
Oh, my degree. Okay. I've never heard that term like that. My degree. I studied pedagogy.
Oh, Can you
Pedagogy.
type that?
Oh, like it's the study of
Pedagogy.
of
Okay,
learning.
pedagogy. Yes, yes, I know, I know. It is in the Bachelor of Education.
Yeah, education. It's basically the study of how people learn.
Hmm.
So, like you get strategies, different strategies, and how you know everything is learned. And one of the things that is learned differently is language because it is more associated to our artistic side.
Yes, yes. To gain knowledge deeply, how to teach, how to uh, behave with children, like that.
Yeah, exactly. And how many years do you have left until you
Yeah, only
graduate?
1 year left to become.
1 year left.
Yeah,
Great, great.
yeah. And there, after my graduation, I want to do a decent job. If I get a chance to go abroad, then I will definitely go. Otherwise, I will continue my study as MTech, master degree.
Awesome. And you live now? Where do you live now?
Yeah, I reside in Kolkata, West Bengal.
In where?
Kolkata, West Bengal. West Bengal.
Wokatam.
No, no, Kolkata. I will type it for you.
All right.
Here it is. Kolkata.
Oh,
It
that's
is
your
very
that's
popular city in West Bengal,
mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
I am from eastern part of India.
Nice. All right, cool. And how's the weather like over there?
Yeah, the weather is in summer. There is very hot, very humidity, but
Mm-hmm.
all over the rest of the year it is fine.
It's fine. Cool, cool. Any other questions that you have?
No, no, no. I want to. What do you do in your free time?
What do I do in my free time? Oh my goodness. Well, I don't have free time
Yes, yes.
because I'm a mom. So
You
moms, we don't get so
actually.
much free time.
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. And you, I think you are the best mom because I have seen your profile.
Yeah.
You do
Yeah, I mean, I spend a long
whatever the mother does.
Thank you. Yeah, I spend a lot of time with my son, when I have some free time and after he sleeps, I sometimes watch Netflix.
Okay.
What
Managing
about
time.
you?
Yeah.
What about you?
I like painting in my to spend hours, my leisure hours, and also nowadays I am a huge fan of making YouTube videos. So I am quite busy right now, and yeah, and besides doing all the stuff, I study because my
Hmm.
semester will come in the next month. So I have to study hard.
I'm sure you don't get much
So,
free time either.
yeah,
Engineers don't get much
exactly.
free time.
Yeah, yeah, same thing, same thing.
I actually work with a lot of engineers, and I have, one of my students. He's an engineer. He's I guess, a production engineer.
Yeah, I think
Um,
product,
production, and he,
production. Yeah.
focuses on production. And oh, I'm getting my other call. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to go, but
Okay.
yeah, I have a reservation now, so I'm gonna
Okay, no
have to
problem.
go.
It is really nice to meet you. It is short, but it is very nice to meet you. Hope to see you soon again.
I
Take
hope
care.
to see
Stay
you
safe.
soon. Take
Yeah, yeah.
care. Bye
Bye.
bye.